In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Mailchimp with your WordPress site using Zapier. By following these steps, you will create a seamless connection between Mailchimp and WordPress to automate your email marketing tasks. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Zapier homepage. Look for the URL at the top of your browser where you can enter the address. Once you reach the Zapier homepage, ensure you are logged into your account. If you are not signed in, the site will prompt you to enter your credentials. This step is crucial to access the necessary features for integration. Next, locate and click on the button labeled Create on the home page. This button is typically found in a prominent position on the interface. After clicking, you will be directed to a new screen where you can start building your first Zap, which is the automation workflow that connects Mailchimp and WordPress. Once you are on the new screen, find the option labeled Zaps in the menu. Clicking on this will direct you to your existing Zaps or allow you to create a new one. This section is important as it organizes all your automation workflows and displays their current status. After navigating to the Zap section, you will see an area where you can type in a keyword for your automation, enter the word highlight in the search box. Doing so will help you quickly find the relevant templates or triggers associated with Mailchimp and WordPress. The interface will respond by displaying any relevant options based on your input. Continue by clicking on the button labeled Start Building. This action will lead you to the workflow editor where you can set up the specific details of your integration. The editor will provide various options for customization, which are essential for defining how Mailchimp interacts with WordPress. Next, type in highlight again in the search box provided within the workflow editor. This repetition ensures that you are following the correct path to set up the integration details accurately. The system will again filter results based on your input, helping you find the right triggers and actions. Now, locate and click on Mailchimp from the list of applications available. This selection is crucial as it will allow you to choose specific actions related to Mailchimp for your Zap. After clicking, the interface will display various options for Mailchimp. Following that, click on the option labeled Trigger Event to proceed with selecting what type of trigger you want to set up. This step is significant as it determines when your automation will be activated. The interface will present a list of trigger options related to Mailchimp. Next, click on New Subscriber from the list of triggers. This specific trigger will ensure that every new subscriber added to your Mailchimp list will initiate the action you set up in WordPress. Confirm that the correct option is highlighted before proceeding. After selecting the trigger, click on Account to connect your Mailchimp account to the Zap. This step is essential for allowing Zapier to access your Mailchimp data. You will see a prompt asking you to authenticate your Mailchimp account. Once authenticated, click on Connect Mailchimp to finalize the connection between your Mailchimp account and Zapier. This action will allow the automation to function correctly. Ensure that any required permissions are granted during this process. Continue by clicking on WordPress to select it as the application for the action side of your Zap. This selection will guide you to set up how Mailchimp will interact with your WordPress site. The interface will then show you various action options available for WordPress. Next, click on Action Event to specify what action should occur in WordPress when the Mailchimp trigger is activated. This step is critical as it defines the nature of the integration. The system will display a list of actions you can choose from. Click on Create User from the action options. This choice will ensure that a new user is created on your WordPress site for every new subscriber added in Mailchimp. Confirm that you have selected the correct action before proceeding. After this, click on Account again to connect your WordPress account. This is necessary to allow Zapier to perform actions on your WordPress site. You may need to authenticate your WordPress account once more during this step. Finally, click on Connect WordPress to establish the final connection between Zapier and your WordPress site. This action completes the integration setup, allowing Mailchimp to automatically create users in WordPress based on your subscriber activity. Make sure to verify that all connections are successful before concluding. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial